You might already know what a Pythagorean triple is. Just to give you a refresher, it's three integers that form the sides of a right triangle. And a common example is the Pythagorean triple 3, 4, 5. Because when you square 3, you get 9, square 4, you get 16, 9 plus 16 add up to 25, which is the square of 5. So 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. And this appears quite commonly. And some of you might know some more Pythagorean triples, and especially if you want to participate in competitions, then you'll do better if you know more Pythagorean triples. One other triple that one can recall is 5, 12, 13. 5 square is 25, then if you add 144, you get 169, which is the square of 13. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about a way to generate infinitely many Pythagorean triples. Now, I'm not saying that you can get all of the Pythagorean triples this way. There are many more, but there is one family of Pythagorean triples that we can form. And for that particular family, the first number will be odd. So actually this and the 3, 4, 5 and 5, 12, 13 are examples of that family. Now let me explain what I'm going to do for the next one. So the next odd number is 7, and here is what you want to do. You take the square of 7. It's going to be odd. If this number is odd, square of an odd number is going to be odd. And when you cut it in half, you're going to get a decimal. It's not going to be an integer. This is going to be 24 and a half. So what you want to do is take the floor of that number, 24 and a half is 24, and the next number would be one more, or you can say that it's the ceiling. So get the floor of the half of 7 square and then just add one more. In fact, if you notice, 5 square is 25, cut it in half, you get 12 and a half. So 12 and then one more. And it applies here as well. 3 square is 9, cut it in half, 4 and a half, floor is 4 and one more. So let's try in this example, 9. 9 square is 81, cut it in half, you get 40.5, so that's floor is 40 and then one more. Now this should work every time you start with an odd number. So if you start with 11, 11 square is 121, cut it in half, you get 60 and a half. So floor is 60, then 61. And you can check. So 13, square of 13 is going to be 169, and half of 169 is 84.5. So its floor is going to be 84, and the next number would be one more.